What's up, big mama? Woo! What's going on, guys? Today we're out here fishing during a snowstorm. Currently, I haven't even cast yet, but I'm running a chartreuse square bill crankbait. Right now I'm just gonna use it as my search bait to see where the fish are at, and I'm just gonna give it a go. Snow time bassing, baby. That's a healthy looking fish. All right, number one. Yeah, right where you're standing, and like all of this used to be covered by bushes, and all the big mamas would sit like right to the right of this like drain hole. So we'd like stand over there and we could cast up underneath with like frogs and stuff. We'd slay it, but. Oh yeah, keep that tip up. Keep it up. What's up, big mama? Woo! Look at that fish.
Jesus.
Gill hooked on the crankbait.
Oh man, you are not kidding.
Look at that fish.
I have my scale, but I kind of don't want to go get it. It's so far back.
I can hold her in the water if you want to go grab it.
No, it's all right.
All right.
Jeez.
Oh man. There she goes.
Shoot, right there. Like you were literally just saying you were catching them right there, and then I thought I hooked a rock.
Nice fish, dude. I literally split this thing in freaking half. I went to cast it, it hit the concrete ramp. It split into two. Well, so much for this bait.